The nature of this experiment shows how an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. When the moving cart suddenly stops, the doll without a seatbelt keeps moving forward due to inertia until it hits something that stops it, like the cart or block. But the doll with a seat belt, however, is restrained, showing how seat belts protect passengers during sudden stops or collisions. The materials needed for this experiment is a string, a cart with a small doll, a mass, and a block. What stopped the motion of the doll without a seatbelt when the cart crashed to a stop? When the doll doesn't have a seatbelt, the doll kept going forward until the cart is hit the wooden block base. Based on Newton's first law, which is inertia, the impact made a force that stopped the motion, since no one to support the doll and the doll will throw up. Was there any difference for the doll with a seatbelt? Yes, there is significantly difference between with seatbelt and without. The seatbelt was a help to prevent the doll to being thrown forward during a sudden stop.